Hello my PC students. Alright, this assignment is going to be exactly the same as the last one, but instead of having a percent cut, you're going to have a percent increase. So let's go to File, let's go to Open, go to Browse, and we want to go to Classes Drive. You want to go to PC, Teaching Documents, and we want XX Votes Increase Freeze Row Column. So double click on that to open it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go File, Save As. Alright, and now go to Browse, and you're going to go to your name, Print Communications, and Excel. Now click in the file name box, press Home, type in your name, and type in the current date, whatever the current date is for you. Mine happens to be October 3rd. Alright, and save it. Okay, so now I see another thing. Let's go click in cell A1, go Control Shift End, and let's put on Calibri size 12. Alright, and then let's go to View, Zoom, and we could almost put this one likely at 200%, but I'll go about 150 this time. Okay, so there you can see everything well. Alright, now this is a 2% increase. So once again, you've got equals, and you've got to take your price of your boat, and remember, we have to use the original prices, so we have to freeze the column. The dollar sign has to be in front of the B. So it's B3, but this time it's a growth, so it's a plus. And you're going to say that your price is going to increase by 2%, 3%, 4%, and 5%. So we have to take the price of the boats, and we have to freeze the column because we can't come out of that column, times, and this time we have to freeze the row, right? So we want to press F4 until the dollar sign is in front of the 2. So now if I close my parentheses, I have my boat price plus the increase in the price. The boat price plus times the increase. Alright, so 204,000, well you know 2% times 200,000, you can guess at that one. Right, and now we grab our fill handle, drag down, and we drag to the right. Simple. You're done in seconds. Alright, now take a look. You froze the column and you multiplied C2. You didn't go out of row 2. You didn't go out of column B. Here, you did not go out of column B and you didn't go out of row 2. And then here, you didn't go out of column B and you didn't go out of row 2. You stayed in row 2. Here, you're still in column B and you're still in row 2 wherever you go. Here, you're still in column B and you are still in row 2. So it's quite easy once you get the hang of it. Okay, so now I want to click here in cell B1, hold down my shift key and click here so I get my totals. And you know to get your totals is just straight Alt equals. Very easy. Now we also want to put the proper formatting on. So we want to go to Format Cells. We want Accounting, but we want a dollar sign, but no decimal places. Okay, no decimal places. And now to the bottom. Now this time we do have a total row, so we only want to take out the dollar sign in the middle. So go to Format Cells, Accounting, 0 decimal places, and no dollar sign. Alright, there's your increase. Your boat went up by $4,000, $6,000, $8,000. So big difference in the amount of increase. But remember, it was all based on the original price. Alright, we'll stop here. Save your work first, and now we'll stop.